An awesome Persian recipe for pasta that you've never seen with crispy potatoes. Let's go and cook it. Okay, first we start with cutting a peeled carrot into small cubes, like this. Then chop a small piece of onion, Okay, now peel a potato and chop it into small cubes like this. Time for mushrooms. These are the only mushrooms left in my fridge. You can use more. We'll fry the onion. Let it fry till it's get a little golden. Then add the carrot. After some minutes, add potatoes. Add a little more oil if you think it needs, but don't pour it too much. And at the end, mushrooms. While we let the mushrooms to fry, we'll wash some soybean meal. Put them in a pot of water. Let it boil till it's like this. Then take the pot and drain the soybean. Add it to your pan and mix it. Okay, time for flavors. Add tomato sauce. This tomato sauce isn't just for flavoring your vegetables, but also for pasta, so add enough of it to your pan. Spices: turmeric, pasta spice, black pepper, salt, and some parsley. Taste it to be sure of its good taste. Now time for those crispy potatoes. Chop a peeled potato to almost thin pieces like this. These potatoes are gonna cover the bottom of the pot. Over there we have a pot with boiled water for cooking pasta. Add some turmeric for color and salt for taste to the water. I like to split the pasta to half. You can do whatever you want. When the pasta is cooked, drain it. In this part, my mom taught me to wash the pasta with cold water a little so that it doesn't get sticky. Place the potato in the pot. While your crispy potatoes are frying, mix pasta and vegetable together. And now put pasta in your pot upon the potatoes. Persians cover the doorpot with a cloth. In their language they call it dam koni. So put the door on it and wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Oh, I must forget one important thing. It is about gas flame. At first, the gas flame is high for a few minutes to fry the potatoes. Then the flame is reduced as much as possible. Now the delicious Persian pasta is ready. You can turn the pot upside down like this. And see those crispy potatoes. That was the Persian recipe for pasta. If you liked it, don't forget to like this video, it means a lot to me, and subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes. Bye bye!